Hello everyone, this is Divya Goel. Welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn a very popular programming language called Python. And now Python is given in the syllabus of many IT courses too. In this video we'll learn what is Python, features of Python, applications of Python and installation of Python. And I will discuss the steps to download very useful editor named Pycharm. And Pycharm is a cross-platform editor which is developed by JetBrains. It allows the programmer to write console-based and GUI-based programming both. So these are the topics to be discussed. And this is icon of Pycharm editor which will be discussed in this video. So let's get started quickly. So what is Python? Python is dynamically typed, object-oriented, garbage collected, interpreted and high-level programming language. It supports multiple programming paradigms including structured, object-oriented and functional programming that is developed by Guido van Rossum in 1991. Now what does dynamically typed mean? It means that variables do have a data type but a programmer need not to define it at the time of code writing, and it matters only when an operation is performed on variables and the data type of the variable is determined during runtime only. And object oriented means Python also allows you to define classes and to create objects. And garbage collected refers that memory allocation and deallocation is done automatically. Interpreted means Python interpreter interprets the code line by line. And finally, high level means it is written as English language. See features of Python. Python is easy to understand and use. The syntax of Python is of fewer lines and easy to understand. Second, it is free and open source. So we can download Python for free. Open source software is a software with source code that anyone can inspect, modify and enhance the code. Next, Python is portable. Python can work on different platforms like Windows, Linux, Mac, etc. Python is interpreted. Python interpreter interprets the code line by line and debug. And if it finds bugs, it shows error. Let's see the process to generate the output. Write the Python code in high-level language and save it with .py extension. When it runs and interpreted, it generates the bytecode file. After that, output is printed on the screen. Moreover, the syntax of Python is simple and easy to understand. It supports modules and packages, so we can say it supports modularity and code reusability too. And Python has extensive standard libraries. It means it has rich libraries to perform various tasks. Dynamically typed language, that means programmer need not to define data type of variables. I have explained about it very well. Next is automatic garbage collection. Memory allocation and deallocation of objects in Python is done by garbage collector automatically. Next is integrated. Python is an integrated language by nature. That means Python interpreter executes codes one line at a time. Next is embedded. Embedding provides ability to implement some or more functionality of other languages to Python. That means code of C and Java can be used in Python. Next is extensible. Python codes can also be written in other languages too. Now let's see Python applications. First one is web development. Python has variety of frameworks and inbuilt libraries to design websites. Next application is GUI programming. Python can connect the database and provide GUI applications. Next, Python is used in robotics and AI programming. Next is game development. Game can also be developed by using Python. Next, Python is used to handle big data and perform complex mathematics operations. Next, it is used in business application. Business management softwares are developed with an automated solutions like sales, purchases, shipping, etc. that is handled easily. These were the main uses of Python, but there are many other applications where Python can be used. Now let's see the steps to download Pycharm editor. First of all, write this link in your Chrome browser and you will get this screen on your system. Now click on download given under community section. After completion of download, run its exe and a setup wizard will be displayed. Then click on next button. Then you get this screen and you can change installation path if you want, and then click on next button. Then you will get this screen, and on this screen you can create a desktop shortcut. Select .py and click on next button. Now on this next screen, keep selected JetBrains and click on install button. Now wait for the installation to finish. Once installation finished, you will receive a message that Pycharm is installed. Click the Run Pycharm Community Edition and then click on Finish. After you click on Finish, the following screen will be appeared. Now we can run our Python codes. And I have already downloaded Pycharm editor. Now let's see demonstration to run Python codes. This is icon of Pycharm editor saved on desktop. When you double click on it, you will get this type of environment of Pycharm editor. Now let's learn to create a new file in it. Here I have created lots of Python files. You may see it clearly. To create a new file, go venv library root or virtual environments root, which is a Python module that is used to create and run Python projects. Right click on it, select new and then select Python file. After selecting Python file, it will ask you to enter name of the file. Then you write here name with .py extension. Then press enter. Now your file is created. You can see here. I have saved it a.py. You can see here. I told you the syntax of Python is of fewer lines. So just writing print function will print your message on the screen. I will discuss more about print function with examples in next video. Here I am just printing hello. And to run Python file, select a.py, saved left side, right click on it and select run. Now you can see the output printed below hello. I hope you had great time learning and understanding about Python and Pycharm editor. If you have any doubt or query, comment in comment section below. Do subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. See you in next video. Take care, stay safe, bye bye.